Zara and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make one of the hottest trends, one of the hottest items in this spring, and is the denim skirt. It could be a Midi skirt, it could be a Maxi skirt, but it's everywhere. And why go and spending money when you can just use an old pair of jeans to make it? And remember to follow me on Instagram at Patton and TikTok, and like this video. Let's get to it. For this project, I'm gonna use a straight pair of jeans. Could be straight or could be wide leg. I'm using a pair of jeans from Zara, and we're gonna start by using a seam ripper and open the inner seam of the pants. This takes a little bit of time, so just listen to a podcast, a little bit of music, and you should be fine. And I am just ripping open the whole inner seam of the jeans. And then I'm cutting this part. Make sure you don't get too close to the zipper, and then just lay it flat and put some pins on it. Then we turn it inside out, and this is the back part that we are going to put pins and then sew in straight. I'm trying it on. Just make sure when you do this to be careful because the pins can hurt you. And now we are sewing it in very straight. I'm doing 2-3 inches at a time. So the line is straight. I am not a professional again. And then we're just gonna cut the excess. And that's it. Now we're gonna go to the front part. This one was a little bit more difficult for my machine. Again, it's not a professional machine, and the fabric was a little bit thicker. So just take your time. And then I am sewing exactly on top of where the previous seam was, so you don't see anything new on it, so it looks like the skirt came like that. And that's it. A little bit more. Remember to like and subscribe. Here's Axel. He's really gonna like that. And the skirt is ready. I really hope you loved it. I am obsessed. I love how it came out. I'm gonna style it 3 different ways for you. I'm gonna link everything in the description. Date night, here I come. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.